Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to be answering some of your most asked questions. You guys ask me these questions all the time and I feel like you guys always want to know more things, and this channel is so much about home decor that oftentimes I don't get to really share a little insider secrets and stuff like that with you guys. So I've also been thinking about starting a separate vlogging channel and to do more videos that aren't necessarily home decor related. So if that's something you guys would watch, let me know in the comments down below. But let's jump right into the questions. The first question, and I'm sure a lot of you guys really want to know this, and it's just how did you get into interior design and decor? So I actually started this YouTube channel as a fashion and beauty channel. I did a ton of fashion and beauty videos when I first started, but I always saw everyone with their cute rooms and I really wanted to decorate my room. So I decided to paint my room this mint green color. Mind you, this was 6 years ago, and decorate it just how I wanted it to be decorated. And that was my first video ever that I uploaded that I feel at the time went semi-viral. It has 1 million views now, but back then, 6 years ago, it was so hard to get 200,000 views on a video, and that video went to 200,000 views so quickly. So then I started just sharing more tips and tricks, and I talked about how I got this stuff on a budget for my room and everything, and it just kind of turned into something that for me, I didn't have any struggles, and it was super easy for me to decorate my room that way. So that's kind of how I got into it, because I was oh, people really love this, maybe this is something that I'm good at. So that's actually how I got into it, and I just grew and did more research and all that stuff from there. Next question is your favorite place to shop for home decor. I absolutely love West Elm. It's not always the cheapest place to shop, but you are getting top quality furniture at a really great price. Places like Restoration Hardware have similar quality to West Elm. However, Restoration Hardware is a lot more on the expensive side. So I feel it's kind of that middle ground to where it's not super pricey where you couldn't save up to get something. And they always have amazing sales. Pretty much all of my furniture in my apartment is from West Elm, and I've gotten each piece individually when it goes on clearance or used coupons. So that is my favorite place to get home decor and furniture. The next question I got a lot, which was really similar, is where's my favorite place to shop for clothes? I absolutely love shopping at Express. You guys know that sometimes they partner with me on videos, and they partnered with me on this video. They actually let me go shopping and pick out a few things. So both of these items that I'm wearing right now are from Express. I'm obsessed with this shirt that I'm wearing. It's so flattering. And then this jacket has just embroidery detailing that's a silver palm leaf on it. I really like their clothes because they're great quality for the price. They were also kind enough to give me a coupon code. So that coupon code will be in the description box for you guys, and I will also link both of these items in case you are interested. They did let me pick out a few more things, so make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm going to style them in photos coming up soon. The next question is, how do you make money, and is YouTube your full-time job? For the most part, YouTube is my full-time job. I do a couple other of things to make money, but the bulk of my money does come from my YouTube channel. And to be more specific, you guys know, you make money off of the views from your videos, and then sometimes you get paid sponsorships from companies. There are two different types of sponsorships. You can get a sponsorship where you're just getting for example, this sponsorship, I'm just getting this clothing in exchange for mentioning their brand in a video. But sometimes you can get a paid sponsorship where you get either the free product, and on top of that you get money. So those are two different ways that you can make money, but you do have to tell and call everything a sponsorship whether or not it is paid anymore. That's just kind of how YouTube works, and that's how everything goes. You have to say that it's a sponsorship. So something to also keep in mind when a YouTuber says oh, I partnered with this company or it's a sponsorship, not always are we making money. They could have just sent us a free shirt. Even if we get one free thing, we have to say that it is a sponsored video. This next question I find so funny, and I get it so much, and it is, why do you move so much? Are you guys just confused when I do different room makeovers and stuff? Obviously that's what my channel is. My channel is about decor and making over stuff, so I will switch up things more than the average person, but that's just to help you guys and give you guys ideas and produce content. That's what my job is. So I actually haven't moved in years, and I do not move a lot. I haven't moved in years. So that is to answer that question. I'm not sure if yeah, it's just weird because I get it so much, and people will comment and be yeah, when are you gonna show us your new place? And I'm new place? I wish I had a new place, but I don't. Next question I got were just specific tips for different room styles, and one that stood out the most to me is someone asked about tips for a boho room, like what is the easiest way to make your room boho. And my personal opinion, there's like 3 things that you can add to your room that will make it look super boho like instantly. Get some boho pillows, get like a very like natural type of rug to put in your room, like a jute rug or something made from like more natural fibers, and then just add plants to your room. Like that is the most affordable, cheapest, quickest way to make your room look super boho on a budget, because you can also add like lots of different plants, and to me like they make like the best decor. And a side note from that, if you guys want more like tips on room decor and stuff like that, YouTube has a new feature where you can actually sponsor a channel. It's $4.99 a month, so kind of more on the affordable side. If my specific, you guys know that I will do like room designs for people like one-on-one, but a lot of you guys said, you know, that's not really in your budget or you're saving up for this, so this is kind of like a more affordable way. But basically what I'm offering for the sponsorship, if you want to sponsor my channel, is I'm basically going to be doing like these live streams with only the people who sponsor the channel, and you guys will get like one-on-one design tips. I'll allow people to like send in pictures of their room and like go over it in there. I'll send you guys links to furniture. I can provide like coupon codes, tips, tricks, pretty much all of that. So if that is something you want to do, you just go to the main page of my YouTube or down there and it just says sponsor, and that would mean the world to me, and I will talk a little bit more about that in the end. Okay, this is probably like the most asked question on all of my videos, everything I upload, every picture I post, and that is what happened to your Jeep. Basically, to summarize it, I just got a new car. There's definitely like a backstory and more that I could go into depth about, and I feel like I could do a whole entire video about why I don't have my Jeep anymore. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And the last and final question that I'm sure everyone wants to know, and that is, will you be doing another subscriber room makeover, and why haven't you done another one? And this one is like, just, there's so much to it. So if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, or if you guys have ever seen that video, I did a video where I made over a subscriber's room. Now, first and foremost, that was just something that I always wanted to do. I just thought it was like an amazing video concept and a great way to give back to you guys. I love decorating, so to be able to decorate one of your rooms was like awesome. However, that video cost me thousands of dollars, like thousands. I had to pay for all of the furniture, I had to do some other things behind the scenes, I had to get an editor, I had to get someone to film it, like I had to pay someone to put all of the furniture together properly just to make sure that everything was secure and like for liability purposes. So it did cost me thousands of dollars, and at the time I had a management team that basically said that they would do everything in their power to push that video out, send it to companies, and hopefully get it sponsored, meaning that I wouldn't have to come out of pocket. Like the company, if it was like a furniture company, they could sponsor it by providing the furniture. And that just never happened. My management completely slacked off on that. They never actually sent the video out to anyone. So that happened. And then just for legal reasons, I was going to do it again. And the person that I picked became very weird very quickly. They were just saying things, making comments, asking questions that I felt were like very inappropriate. But then they also reminded me that I cannot just go over to people's houses and redecorate their rooms that are subscribers without some sort of like legal contract drafted up. So that is something else that I have to like keep in mind. So if I do it again, which I hope I am able to, it's just like I said, it costs thousands upon thousands of dollars to do it, and that is money that I'm not going to make back on the video. Just being completely transparent with you guys, like I wouldn't make that money back just by uploading that one video. So that's kind of like where that's at. It's like kind of unfortunate because I do really want to do it again. So what I think I'm going to do is all of the money that I make from you guys sponsoring this channel, as I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to put in a separate bank account, and when that reaches enough money to be able to do another subscriber room makeover, I of course will do another subscriber room makeover from obviously the people who sponsor and support this channel, who I see commenting and just supporting me in general the most. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with that. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it answered some of you guys' questions that you've been dying to know. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to respond to everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!